Alright, I've just tested the battery on this Equinox. It is bad, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change your battery in your Chevy Equinox. This should work for 2010 to 2017. Alright, first thing we'll need to do is remove this off the top of the battery, and that is just a 10mm bolt right here. Once we have that bolt removed, you slide this. This is the PCM or the ECM. Slide it this way, lift it up and out. And then here, we have a 10mm nut here. And then we need to remove this plastic piece right here to get to the 10mm that is holding this end. If you're interested in this tool, I'll have a link in the description below for that. As you can see, it helps grab these clips and pull them up. And then once you have those three clips out, this will just fold back. And then we have our 10mm bolt here, 10mm nut here. Once we have this removed, I just need to see what it's going to take to loosen these. This is a 10mm. We'll loosen that one first, and then I'll grab a 10mm wrench and get this one loose. Well, now that this is loose here, I can go ahead and pull the battery out. One thing you're going to notice is this is an MT47H5. The battery I'm putting back in here is a 48H6, and that's because I think this was purchased for a different Equinox. The 2010-2011 V6 calls for the 48/H6. And it's going to be slightly larger. So I'm going to grab this one out of here, and I'm going to put the new one in place. Alright, we'll see if we can get this down in there. Well, this one seems to fit the hole better. Not surprised, considering it's the correct size. So we'll just go ahead and hook up in the reverse order. Whenever you're changing battery, it's a good idea to clean the terminals. The positive terminal was pretty clean. I didn't do that one, but it's a good idea to do that. I also have some dielectric grease that I'm gonna put on the terminal here, and that'll just try to help keep from having some corrosion. So, got a little bit right here. Let's go ahead and get this negative cable on. And it's common to have either a spark here or hearing some things once they're powered back up. So don't be alarmed if you hear something. All right, it's time to put this back on. Make sure our covers are in place. We're gonna replace this bolt back here. We'll put these 3 clips back in. And that's all there is to changing the battery in this is a 2011 Chevy Equinox, but this should work for, I believe, 2010 through 2017. You might just consult with an application guide, or I'll try and put it in the description below which battery your vehicle needs. So if you're looking for that information, look in the description. I'll also have links in there for a few other items that will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.